You were cooking pizza today. Pizza. See? Beautiful pizza. We have salami here. Salami. Oh. See like that. Oh, and pizza. Show pizza one more time. We're still cooking. We're still cooking. See, check out our channel. Look, we're gonna do. See, we're gonna do. It's called Unzip a Salami. Should have done this before the video. But sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Cooking pizza today, see? It's taking some time. Sorry about that, sorry about that. Today, pizza cooking takes time. If you want it good, see? This is salami, you know, we cleaning salami for pizza. We're cooking so excited. We're not falling asleep. It's kind of late, you know, but we're not falling asleep. We're cooking. See? Check this out. So we have the salami. Oh yeah, I'm gonna cut the salami. Check this out. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Salami looking so cool. And here we have Haverty cheese. Haverty. See? We're gonna put on this pizza. Put on this pizza. Havarti cheese on these pizzas. So amazing. We make the best pizza. Please, maybe you look at our channel sometimes. Then we have American cheese. American cheese now. That was Havarti cheese. This is American cheese. See? American cheese. We put on this pizza. Oh wow. And then we grab this salami, you see? Salami, oh. Wow, look at this. Oh wow, this pizza looking so amazing. Oh yeah. I was looking at the pizza and it looks so delicious. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So now, we're preheating the oven. This is what you do when you bake. Well, we have banana peppers, baby, banana peppers. See? We're gonna put banana peppers on the pizza, see? So we're gonna put on the pizza banana peppers. Because that's how we like it. That's how we like our pizza, with banana peppers. And then we also like olives. Olives we like too, right?
Right.
Oh yeah. Olives now. Look at these olives. Oh, olives now on the pizza. What is the salami? Salami now. We got little bit. See? Oh wow. Time to use it up. Time to use it up. See? Oh wow. See? Oh wow. So cool. Now this pizza going in the oven. Baby, show the oven. Oh, oven's so hot. The alarm about to go off. The smoke alarm. But we don't care. We put inside. We put inside. The pizza we put inside. Pizza looking beautiful. Oh yes. What's going on, chick? Oh, so beautiful. We're so excited. Oh, shit is doctors. Oh, wow. We like it. We like it. We're gonna close. Thank you for watching the channel. God bless you. Amen. Oh. Play. Alarm, look. Alarm because it's so smoky inside of here. Because of this thing. Oh, so smoky. We're gonna wake up all the neighbors. That's how we do. We like waking up neighbors. And please check out our videos when pizza done. Рыбачок. Пожалуйста, спасибо, что смотрите. До свидания. Видите, у нас тут чуть-чуть смолкус чуть-чуть. О, вау. But it's okay, it's okay. Pizza cooking. So we're gonna be okay? Right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.